Hello and welcome to Canon Coffee Espresso Machines. Today I'm going to show you how to get into the special secret menu on the Breville Oracle. So you press and hold the 1 cup button, and then you press and hold the power button. And the first thing it says is reset, which means to reset all settings. This is descale. This is whether you want to set the temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. This is LCD brightness. Spot. I'm not sure. Oh, that's how bright the spotlights are. STEA or S. I'm not sure what that is. This is how much air you want flowing through the milk frother. I believe that's what it is. If not, let me know if I'm wrong. Also, fill in the blanks for me here. This is the fan speed, so for cooling the machine. If you turn it down lower, it'll be more quiet. But if you turn it up higher, then it'll take care of your machine better, keeping it cooler inside and giving your machine a longer life. Clean, clock settings, and then volume. So you can choose whether you want to measure the shots by volume or by time. And I'll just change the LCD here quick just to show you. You can see it goes all the way up. So back where it was, and I'll click exit and it goes back into the menu. So let's go into a shot. I already ground the coffee. Pull a double. This coffee's kind of old. This is just my test coffee, so we're not going to get great crema. But you can see it's working well, and you can get some crema. And that shot was a little fast. I think the grind could be a little finer. Customer had the grinder on 26, and I'm going to turn it back to 26 because that's what they had it at. And I don't like to change people's settings. But usually this machine is somewhere around 18 to 22, I would say, for a good shot of espresso. But everybody has their own preferences, so I don't like to change that. So I'm going to turn this back to 26. So, and also please know that when you're going finer, you always want to have the grinder running. Otherwise, it's really hard on the grinder. I went coarser, so it didn't matter. So thank you for watching with Canon Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.